Okay, Zoe, you look pretty cute. You dressed yourself to go out in the snow, huh? So you got your Dora hat on and your shirt on and your pants on. And your Snoopy socks and sandals. Okay, turn around. Let's see the back of you. Turn around. And there's the plumber crack. All right, are you ready to go out in the snow?
Yeah.
You sure you want to go out? It's cold out there.
It's okay. This protects me.
Okay, here we go. Have fun.
It's water.
It's
Can you
called
help
snow.
me go down the stairs?
You can get down there. It's not slippery. Go ahead. Careful. No, just walk, honey. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Here. Give me your hand. There you go. So you did it. Good job. All right. Isn't it cold out there? Where are you going? Stay here. No, don't go anywhere. You can go out here, but... When's your birthday, Zoe? Is your birthday in 2 days? No, in April. In 2 days it's your birthday. It looks like it's November. Aren't you cold? Come closer. Come closer to Mommy. How are your sandals holding up? Are they keeping you nice and warm?
Yep.
You ready to come in yet?
No.
You're a cuckoo head. Hold up there. What do you think, Wyatt? Is she a cuckoo head? I think she's a cuckoo head. Yeah. I don't think you'd like to go out there and that. No.
Cheese! Cheese!
Okay, I think you better come inside, honey. It's really cold.
I don't want to.
Okay. Say bye to the camera.